We'll do this deal. Jefferson County, Missouri. Accepted offer price $45,802. Thinks we can sell it for $75,000. 7.36 acres. Yes on the access. Would like to get it cheaper. Not sure how much. Houses are next door. Utilities nearby. Great access. Road frontage on 2 sides. How great is that?
Jeez, it's bad Thursday. That's what this is.
It is.
That's great. Okay, so everybody's alive. Close to the town, 45 minutes drive from St. Louis. So one similar size, 5.5 acres smaller, listed nearby for $67,500. 1 month on market, has 1,000 views. Reached out to the listing agent, still waiting on his opinion. Same price per acre would make this one $90,000. So he's thinking 75 is realistic, and that one's smaller.
6.8 for 60,000. 5, and then it goes to 5 acres to 100.
Click on one.
This is Missouri, so let's click on the cheapest one. 7 acres for 175. That's good.
Oh,
All right, so I don't sound like a broken record here. It looks like it's priced right.
yeah,
The property itself is awesome.
it is.
Like, what is this worth?
Oh, what are these houses? That's right.
350. The
On.
property's right next door, and the acreage is smaller.
Mhm.
6,000 square feet, is that right? One
Wow.
bedroom, 6,000 square feet. That's a barn.
1 bath,
2008.
3 acres.
So that's a fantastic indication to me that this is a great deal. You got to get a broker, but man,
He's working
sure
on
looks
it.
good.
That's good. Pepin County, Wisconsin, $6,000. Nice job. Let me back up here. The original offer was $62,087. Evan said, "I'll give you 6,000." Is where we are.
There's access.
One broker indicated that if because of the access can be established and recorded, it would sell for between 120 and 140, which is obviously what you were thinking when you did your original stuff. And we would target between 80 and 100,000 for a quick sale. It's 40 acres. Legal's a work in progress. Owner is the one who called. Everybody's alive. This area is said to be good hunting land for turkey, especially deer. This would be how the land would be sold. Most of the land in the immediate area is now buildable per state DNR regulations, so people in this area use it for hunting, a huge pastime in Wisconsin. He's 78 years old. He got it for $2,800 back in the mid-70s. He knows it's currently landlocked and the DNR won't allow any building in the area, but the area is used for hunting anyway. Corroborated by a broker, we didn't hear back from others.
I'll tell you, for $6,000 for 40 acres in Wisconsin, I would buy it.
It's
With
already
no
been
access. It's just hunting. Just sell it as hunting land. You're going to be fine.
Yeah. I'm looking at it on data trade and it's got like a river going through it. I just don't know how you'd access it. Even with access, the road's pretty far away.
Look, this is what it is. And you're going to have to cross over other people's land, and they're probably never going to know. We can't check the FEMA map, but, it's a drive.
40 acres.
I'd still buy it.
It's in a floodplain. You can check it on data tree. There's on the layers. It's gonna flood.
The whole area is.
Yeah.
For $6,000, I would buy this. Would you, Brandon?
Yeah, I mean for $6,000, obviously I would try to figure out the
Here's Minneapolis.
access thing before, but I mean, what's the worst that could happen? You sell it for 10 on eBay.
That's what
Right.
I would pick Minneapolis right here. You're going to sell it first week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, especially if it's worth 140 with access. I mean, gosh, that's worth just checking into for $6,000, trying to figure it out.
I wanted to point out that people are often afraid of, oh my gosh, how am I going to get this person from 62,000 to what I really think it's worth, right? And Evan's a good example of the guy. I'm sure the guy knew. The guy paid $2,800 for it, right? The guy knows it has this problem. No one can build out there. The access issue, whatever. So you just matter-of-factly state it and let it go. And he sounds like he was agreeable because he knows. So I guess my point is, don't be afraid to just get it out there. Would you do this deal? Lincoln County, Nevada, 4.88 acres. Purchase price $10,744. So we could sell it for $30,000 to $50,000. We have water, electricity, no slope. Mountains in the distance, 20 minutes from Panica, Nevada. Everybody's alive. There's stuff adjacent. Great.
10 grand for
4.88. Wow.
Don't say wow yet. I'm pretty familiar with the area
Oh.
of Nevada.
Buy for 500, sell for 5,000. That's a stock photo.
Mm-hmm. Maybe not. 370 next door. Not a stock
Wow.
photo.
Oh, maybe not. You're right.
Let's double check that.
Eating
here.
my words.
I'm eating mine. You know who's going to buy it is the rich guy that just did this next door.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'd pay 30 grand to have an extra 5 acres. Okay, you know what you can do, by the way? Now that we have the next door neighbor's address, you can pop the next door neighbor's address into Neighbor Scoop and then go over one, if you really want to.
Oh. I mean, like this.
Mm-hmm.
So I just found a property that's on that same road. That's 4.88 acres. Is that the same property? Yeah, that is. The parcel number's in the description.
Oh, oops.
What's that?
Interesting.
For 47, but now she could buy it for 10. Okay, can I see this?
Yeah.
I'm like, what the heck? So this is already listed with an agent. This is not good. Darn it. And they listed it. They probably have a year listing on it. Because I know most people aren't as savvy as us. So do you want to wait a year or?
I'm not feeling this.
Yeah.
Are you?
No.
I've had too many disappointments in Nevada.
I mean, I don't know. If you can get it for crazy cheap, you just might be sitting on it for a while.
Right.
I wouldn't buy this. There's just nothing up here
Right. Okay.
except this guy's house, and that's it.
Right.
Yeah, that's your buyer.
Mm-hmm.
And the used car lot over there.
I would skip trace this person next door and say do the $30,000 thing, but chances are they know it's for sale for. I mean, maybe even a quick sale for 20. Make a quick 10
Yeah.
grand, and that's it.
That's what I was wondering. Yeah,
Mhm. Okay. Yep.
but I still try to get it cheaper.
But you know what? I wonder, the guy next door, I'm sure knows it's for sale. I would be willing to bet the agent
Yeah.
already had a call with him. So whatever it was, he didn't want it.
That's what I think too, Joe.
Because you know
Yeah.
what he think? I know some people think like this, like, I'm not going to buy it and no one's going to buy it because
Yeah.
I'm sitting here, so I don't have to spend any money and I get to quietly enjoy these 5 acres.
That's true. Yeah.
So